In the demanding world of property management, certain times of the year pose unique challenges that require strategic planning, resilience, and effective management. In this article, we will explore the most difficult time for property managers and the specific challenges they face during this period. Peak rental season. Contrary to conventional wisdom, the peak rental season can be one of the most challenging times for property managers. This period, often occurring in late spring and early summer, is when many individuals and families are on the move. While the demand for rental properties is high, property managers must contend with a surge in tasks, high turnover. The influx of tenants results in a higher turnover rate. Property managers must efficiently handle the process of tenant move-ins and move-outs, conducting thorough inspections and ensuring a smooth transition. Intense competition. The high demand for rental properties also means increased competition among property managers. Marketing efforts need to be at their peak to attract quality tenants amid a crowded market. Quick decision-making. With multiple applications flooding in, property managers often face the challenge of making quick yet informed decisions about tenant selection. This requires meticulous background checks, reference verifications, and the ability to discern the right fit for a property. Harsh winter months. For property managers in regions with harsh winter conditions, the winter months can be particularly challenging. Maintenance challenges. Winter brings a host of maintenance challenges, from snow removal to dealing with frozen pipes. Property managers must ensure that properties are winter-ready, addressing issues promptly to prevent damage. Emergency response. Cold weather often leads to an increase in emergency maintenance calls. Property managers need to have a robust plan in place for responding to issues such as heating failures or weather-related damage. Tenant communication. Communicating effectively with tenants about winter preparedness, emergency procedures, and property care becomes crucial. Proactive communication helps prevent issues and fosters a positive relationship with tenants. Year-end financial management. The end of the fiscal year brings financial responsibilities that can be particularly demanding for property managers. Budget planning. Property managers must engage in comprehensive budget planning for the upcoming year. This involves assessing property performance, forecasting expenses, and setting realistic financial goals. Tax preparation. Year-end also signals tax season. Property managers need to ensure that financial records are accurate, expenses are appropriately categorized, and all relevant documentation is prepared for tax filing. Financial reporting. Property owners often expect detailed financial reports at year-end. Property managers must generate these reports, providing insights into property performance and financial health. Holiday periods. While the holiday season brings joy, it also introduces challenges for property managers. Tenant turnover. The end of the year often coincides with tenants moving out, adding to the workload during a time when many people are on vacation or celebrating holidays. Maintenance scheduling. Coordinating maintenance and repairs during the holidays can be tricky. Property managers need to balance tenant needs with the availability of vendors and maintenance teams. Limited availability. Property managers may find themselves with limited availability due to personal or team members' holiday schedules. This makes effective time management and planning crucial. Every season presents its own set of challenges for property managers, and identifying the most difficult time can be subjective based on location and individual circumstances. Whether it's the peak rental season, harsh winter months, year-end financial responsibilities, or holiday periods, successful property managers leverage strategic planning, effective communication, and resilience to navigate these challenges. By anticipating the unique demands of each season, property managers can proactively address issues, optimize operations, and maintain a high standard of service throughout the year.